this box is again very late. This time it's 1 week too late. And it apparently had a rough time. But let's see what's inside. If I remember correctly, it is the theme is protection. So let's have a look. Oh yes, it's protection. So I enjoy the artwork. The colors looks a little bit autumny, like fall, but that is actually one of my favorite times, so I like that. Oh, dragons. Let's see what we got. So this is the monthly manifestation card. I hope this is, yeah, I guess it's a flower. Is it? Is it? It is. With mushrooms. That's a nice one. Oh, if I sound a little bit tired, I am. I have I have 2 friends over from the US, and we are just back from the Harz Mountains. And of course, we had a lot to see and a lot to do and a lot to walk. And I'm just exhausted right now. We all 4 were. So that is the reason why I may sound a little bit less excited. So yeah, just to let you know, I'm not underwhelmed. I'm not bored. I'm just extremely exhausted. So, oh, I like the sticker. It's yeah, I can't even talk right now. It's like cut out. That's nice. Oh, and it is what it is? Protective bath pouch kit. Oh, that's something new. I mean, this is also bath. I'm taking baths in the autumn time. So let's see. Maybe preparation for autumn. Oh, there's even more. Oh, little crystals. Something black, tourmaline or obsidian. Let's have a look. So here we have some, 1 tea bag and herb 1 and herb 2 and some stones. So, and this will actually be, 1 would be marigold flowers. I just dried some from my garden. Then lime peel. And, oh, it's black agate, whatever you say. Let's have a look. I can't see what, yeah, they're just black. It's okay. I guess they are dyed or whatever. Okay. So that's the ritual kit. Oh, that's a nice pouch. I like the color. That's pretty. That's really pretty. It's like a tin. Ooh, that is nice. Oh, that is pretty. A little bit hard to open. Oops. Oh my goodness. Protection to all that's placed within. This is my decree. Blessed and save is my command, As I will, so mote it be. And then there are little pentacles around. That's, yeah, but that's nice. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, I like this. Let's see. Magical protection tin. I mean, it's self-explanatory. But yeah, this magical tin was designed with love and to protect that which you what? Can you see words? Can you imagine talking English for like the last 3-4 days, and now I can't even talk German? This evening we were at dinners for dinner at my mom's, and my mom doesn't speak English really well. And I was talking to her like in English, and she looks at me and yes, and then, oh shoot, I forgot. It's so hard to switch. Sorry, it's so weird. So this magical tin was designed with love to protect that which you hold dear. Place inside anything that symbolizes the thing, person you wish to protect. State aloud or think with intent the following: protection to all that's, oh, I just read that. Okay. Oh, that's also nice to put like something that represents a person, or yeah, an animal, or something that is near to your heart. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so then we have a protection herb blend, a magical blend of black haw bark. Black haw bark. Black haw? I never heard of that. Nettle and rosemary. I have to Google that. Black haw. I only know like hawthorn. Black haw. No. Use this magical herb blend in spells for rituals for protection, used to dress or circle candles, to add to charm bags and spell jars, or in ritual baths. Does it have a smell? Oh, wait. Not really. I will. Come on! Oh, I even lost my strength. I'm so exhausted. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, that's actual bark. Black haw. Is it haw? Yeah. I never heard of that. Where's the nettle? I can see nettle. Yeah, but nice. And I got a lot of gifts. And this incense, this fills the whole room, even though it's in the packaging. You can smell anything else beside positive vibes. So, what is that? A spellcrafting charm. Oh, that's a new for this box, I think. How can I open it? Oh, like that. Hopefully. Oh, that's cute. It's a little pentacle on, and it's like a circle of herbs. Is there something on the back? No, just Witch Casket. Use this beautiful iron pentacle charm. Is it iron? To add magic to your charm bags or spell jars, or wear it as a simple charm for personal protection. I mean, if it's iron, I don't know if I can wear it on my skin. I can wear stainless steel and silver, gold, something like that, but not so you know what I mean, right? Not the, I just can wear the real deal, and everything else makes my skin, oops, I got it up. Okay, my skin is really itchy and irritated. I'm allergic to literally everything. Oh, but that's pretty. I can use that for something, and I probably will. Okay. There's another beautiful bag. Oh, let's have that first. Oh, some bells, some nails, something iron. Oh, let me feel it. I guess it will be nails. Ooh, nice shape. Like coffin nails. Oh, it's a helicopter. Thank you. Iron nails. Cool. 3 of them. I like this shape. I have somewhere over here, I have one of these there, and I have it as a pendant. Or is it? Oh, it doesn't matter, but they are nice. I like the sound. And it's a good size, not too big, not too small. I like it. That's good. And this bag, look at this beautiful bag. It's even prettier than this one. Yeah, pretty, pretty, pretty. Nice design. This month's design is really pretty. So let's read. Iron nails. Carry iron nails with you for protection. To protect your home, either put an iron nail in the front door frame. Oh, I wouldn't do that. My husband would kill me. Over the fireplace, or hide it under your doormat. No, that would be possible. No, that won't be possible too. So, yeah. Also, it can also be used in spell jars and charm bags. Stuck into candles stuck into candles. Yes, this must be a big candle. For candle magic, etc. Okay, so this would be the stone. Oh, I know the stone. I don't know. Hodo anything. Is it? Is it? I'm so sorry. It's just a quote from a TV show. I think it's like Friends or something. Lisa Kudrow, or how is she called? I don't know what her name is. And there's just one little snippet of a show that I remember, and she said, "Is it?
Is it? Yes."
And I repeat it every time I ask. Rodo something, I guess. Let's see. Is it? Is it? Yes, Rodo something. See? It's the perfect name for this. Rhodonite. Siri, shut up. She talks to me again. The stone of compassion, rhodonite, helps you to leave behind emotional baggage and to heal from past experiences. Oh yes, okay. It offers protection from turmoil and is believed to help with emotional trauma and shock. Okay, this will be my stone for the next whatever. A grounding and balancing stone, rhodonite promotes love and healing. Rhodonite is also thought to increase fertility. Okay, I don't need that. Okay, so what do we have? It's ornate wooden pentacle stand. Oh, yeah, a pentacle stand. We just had a pentacle like plate, a stand. Oh, maybe a stand that stands up. Let's see. A simple traditional way to represent the elements. Oops, okay. On your altar, the pentacle has long been used by witches as a symbol of protection. The points of the pentacle representing the 5 elements of earth, air, fire, water, and spirit, the 5 things essential to sustain life. The circle surrounding them protects and connects the 5 points, indicating that all the elements are connected. Oh, okay. Now I know what they mean. Yeah, the branding. And you put it in like that, if it will fit. Okay, I have some problems. Okay, maybe this up. So you can put it somewhere. I will probably paint it because I probably or stain it with oil, because look at that. This was also a little bit lighter and I stained it. I mean, this is walnut wood, so this is already really dark, but I stained it. I mean, you cannot see the engravings as good as before, but I prefer the color of the wood, so I probably will use an oil, like a reddish oil, or yeah, something like that, to darken it a little bit, and yeah, tint it. I think I will probably do that. Yeah, I will make a lot of stuff with my friend here. We are making oils tomorrow and probably something else too, so maybe I use the red oil, which we will make from the St. John's wort. St. John's wort, right? We brought some flowers from the Harz Mountains because the St. John's wort here is already done. So we brought some flowers to make red oil with it. Next we have, oh, it's the last packaging, and then oh no, it isn't. Let's have the small one first. Oh, wet protection chalk. So it's chalk. Magical chalk imbued with rosemary oil. Okay, it's actually protection chalk. I don't like to touch chalk. Use this protective chalk to create magic circles for threshold magic and for sigils. I mean, that's nice. I like to use charcoal. Oh, I ripped the box. Oops. Oopsie. Oh, it's thick. Oh, I don't like to touch chalk. Sorry, I don't like it. It's like styrofoam. Oh, I hate it. Oh, cool. It's all... Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay. It's engraved. Oh, that's nice, but I don't know what it is. Sorry. Sorry, chalk. You're actually nice. Oh, do you smell? I just smell the incense, I guess. It smells like incense. Yeah. Chalk. Sorry, chalk. So, and then... Okay, Witch Casket, yes. Witchboard kit. Oh, really? We got one like 6-7 months ago, maybe a little bit more, I don't know. It was a green one. Let's have a look. Oh, it's a black one. And it is actually, oh, it's a black one. Is it? I'm so sorry. Oh, it is a black one. Oh, that's nice. It's a little bit dusty because of the herbs. There are herbs in it. Oh, that's actually pretty. I probably will switch the handle part out, and this is handy. Okay. Yeah, nice. So to make a witch ball. We actually visited the Witch Museum in Thale in the Harz Mountains. And yeah, we saw actual legit witch balls. So that was so interesting. You could even buy human skulls in the shop for like 60 euros. I don't want to have that in my home, but no. I don't know if the people wanted to be displayed. I don't know where they get them or where they got them. I mean, in Germany, it is not allowed to unethically source stuff and sell them openly in a store like that. So there will be some government approval, but it's weird, right? So here's some kind of herbs, and this is, what is it? A safety pin? Oh, cute, a little tiny safety pin. Okay. Okay, little tiny safety pin. Is there something else in? No. So let's read what this is. What is it? I have no idea. Is it a root? Yeah, it could be. Okay, let's see. It's so dark. I hope you can see everything. A traditional way to ward off evil spirits and negative energy and protect your home. Add the safety pin and marshmallow root. Marshmallow root. Yeah. I knew the word for that, but now I forgot it. The German word. Okay, but add it to the bowl with intent to protect. You can also include any other charms, amulets, small crystals, or affirmations you desire. These are optional. Yeah, I mean, the real deal would be your own pee, honestly. Like your nail clippings, your hair, and yeah, your pee. So that would be the original version of that. Needles and pins and everything to scare witches away or evil away back in the days. So they found witch bowls and witch bottles in the walls of houses. So that's so interesting. Yeah, so, okay. Do we have anything else? Is there no incense? There's a scroll. There's no... So, no pin. Yes. And no incense? I mean, last time we got 2, so that's okay. And I got this one, so that's also fine. And so no incense. But yeah, and let's have a look at the scroll. Maybe I make some space. It's so crowded. So let's see. No budget, magical protection. Magic to protect yourself and your home needn't cost anything. Here are 6 ways you can practice protection magic with things you likely already have in your home. I mean, that's the actual magic. Don't buy stuff, make stuff, use stuff you have around you. Bells, salt, pans. Heat water to simmer, add protective herbs, and leave to simmer to imbue your home with protective energy. Can you please stop that? That would be so nice. Thank you. Candles, mirrors, pen and paper, or chalk. Okay, I like the design with the dragons. So that would be it. My favorites, this box for sure. Oh, it's hard to open and close, but it will be. Oh, I will be open and close it a few times, and then it will be fine. The nails. The design in general, I like that. So this bag, yeah, the chalk is nice. It's a good idea. Really, it's a good idea. I don't like to touch it. So I like all the designs. This is something I probably won't. Yeah, it's decorative. I will find a place. Probably, but yeah, no, it's not my favorite. So this would be my favorite. These nails are my favorite. I like the witch bowl thing because it's a nice shape. It's a nice word is missing, sorry. What else? The charm is cute. And I think I like the box in general this time. So, but these three would be my favorite. So, and now I'm asking you, what's your favorite? What do you think about this month's Witch Casket? And I probably will go to bed now. Bye.